This video will discuss about the heat transfer and modes of heat transfer. Heat transfer means it is we have considered this is a one type of cup. It will be having the higher amount of thermal energy, and this is another type of tube. In this case, it will be having the low amount of thermal energy. So the heat transfer will be occupied here. From the high energy to is the low energy, the heats are transferred. So heat transfer means it is the transfer of heat energy from higher place to another place in three ways. One is in a conduction, and another one is in a convection, and another one is in a radiation. So here it is in a conduction. Same, the heat transfer will occupy from solid to solid stage. For example, if you are having a cup of coffee, at that time we can realize in our hand, realize the heat from the cup to in our hand. So this is the type of mode is called as a conduction, and another one is a convection. It is the liquid to liquid or liquid to solid medium. So in consider in summer days there is one type of wave pool. It is giving the water. It is the rays of sun rays. It will be having follow into the water. Here at that time we realize the water of level, it will be having the upper side, it will be having the some hotness we can realize. On the bottom of the river it will be a coolness. So on that place that is a convection heat transfer will occur. And that final one is a radiation. The radiation is an electro waves or sun waves. It will be produced, or we can realize the radiation part of heat transfer is radiation. So these are the main modes of heat transfer in a particular type, and these heat transfer will be occupied or in applications in gas turbines and ablative heat transfer phenomena and aerodynamic re-entry vehicle. So in these three phenomena will have changes or will have problems in gas turbines and ablative heat transfer and aerodynamic re-entry vehicle. So basically the gas turbine, it will be having the energy is inlet or input energy is fuel energy, and it's converted into any type of work that is called a mechanical energy, and finally it is converted into the electrical energy part. Occurring these heat transfer phenomena mainly in gas turbine engine is in a combustion chamber. So basically the gas turbine components are diffuser, compressor, combustion chamber, turbine and nozzle. But in this heat transfer phenomena is go to the gas turbine is in a combustion chamber. There is a lot of different type of combustion chamber is annular, can and can annular combustion chambers. So in this heat transfer, it will be having the effect of thrust or effect of the drag in gas turbines. And second part is an ablative heat transfer. It used to the materials, heat conducting materials, it including the thermal conductivity of that particular material. And another section is an aerodynamic re-entry vehicle. This part of the vehicle is aerodynamic forces. Basically the aerodynamic forces is the four forces of aerodynamic forces. It is in a thrust, it is in a drag, it is a lift and it is a weight. So in these aerodynamic four forces, these type of modes of heat transfer phenomena occurring in aerodynamic re-entry vehicle. So these are the heat transfer modes have occurred in or affected in these aircraft industries. Thank you.